I hope you all are fine. So today we will solve class 10th English sample paper 2021 to 22 term 1. तो पहले जनरल इंस्ट्रक्शंस देख लेते हैं. आपको पेपर सॉल्व करने के लिए 90 मिनट्स दिए जाएंगे एंड टोटल मार्क्स इज़ 40. सो आपके जो पेपर है कंटेन्स 3 सेक्शन. सेक्शन ए इज़ रीडिंग पार्ट जिसमें आपको 18 क्वेश्चंस दिए जाएंगे और उसमें से आपको 14 क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट करने हैं. सेक्शन बी इज़ राइटिंग एंड ग्रामर पार्ट जिसमें 12 क्वेश्चंस होंगे एंड यू हैव टू अटेम्प्ट 10 क्वेश्चंस. एंड सेक्शन सी इज़ लिटरेचर पार्ट जिसमें सबसे ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन होंगे, 30 क्वेश्चंस होंगे और उसमें से आपको 26 क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट करने हैं. हर क्वेश्चन के इक्वल मार्क्स होगा और कोई भी नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं होगी. तो स्टार्ट करते हैं. सो पहला हमारा है पैसेज गिवन है रीडिंग सेक्शन में. सो रीड द पैसेज गिवन बिलो. हम पढ़ेंगे इस पैसेज को. फर्स्ट पैरा को. नेचर इज़ आवर मदर, आवर फर्स्ट टीचर. द ग्रेटेस्ट लेसन दैट शी टीचेस अस इज टू मेंटेन एन इक्विलिब्रियम इन लाइफ. वी लर्न टू मेंटेन composure through our joys, sorrows and fears. In fact, there are 1,000 lessons that nature can teach us provided we look for them. तो इस पैरा में बेसिकली हमें नेचर के बारे में बताया गया है कि नेचर जो है वो हमारी फर्स्ट टीचर है और हमें नेचर से क्या सीखने को मिलता है, क्या लेसन मिलते हैं. ओके, सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने से पहले हम इंस्ट्रक्शन ज़रूर रीड करेंगे, हमेशा रीड करेंगे. सो बेस्ड ऑन आवर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द पैसेज, आंसर एनी 8 आउट ऑफ द 10 क्वेश्चन बाय चूजिंग द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. ओके, अब इसमें ये बताया गया है कि आपको इस पैसेज में 10 क्वेश्चंस गिवन है जिसमें से यू हैव टू सॉल्व 8 क्वेश्चन, जिसमें से आपको 8 क्वेश्चन के आंसर देने हैं. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, according to the author, what from the following is the greatest lesson being taught by nature? कि नेचर से हमें क्या लेसन मिला है. ओके, तो क्या मिलता है? बैलेंस्ड इन आवर इमोशन, पार्शियल टू जॉयस इन लाइफ, अफ्रेड ऑफ अनहैप्पीनेस, इनडिफरेंट टू फियर्स. क्या मिलता है हमें? बैलेंस्ड इन आवर हमें क्या मिलता है? बैलेंस्ड इन आवर इमोशन. सो फर्स्ट का आंसर है ए पार्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. सिलेक्ट द ऑप्शन दैट सुटेबली कंप्लीट द डायलॉग विद रेफरेंस टू पैराग्राफ 2. तो हमें पहले ही बता दिया गया है इसका आंसर हमें कहाँ मिलेगा? पैराग्राफ 2 में. तो पैराग्राफ 2 रीड करेंगे हम. विद टाइम अ सैपलिंग ग्रोज इनटू अ फुल ग्रोन ट्री, sometimes so tiny and delicate, develops into a strong tree capable of supporting others. No matter how tall it grows, how much it may flourish, or how many animals and birds it may support, its roots are firmly buried from where it once rose. That's a lesson to keep ourselves grounded, respect and embrace our roots, and give something back to those humble beginnings that nurtured us into who we are. तो रीड करेंगे. जय, I have done well for myself in the school. I am the best they have. I can get admission anywhere. This is my movement. जय ये कहता है कि मैंने स्कूल के लिए बहुत कुछ करा है, मैं बहुत ही अच्छा स्टूडेंट हूँ और मैं कहीं भी एडमिशन पा सकता हूँ क्योंकि मैं अच्छा स्टूडेंट हूँ एंड दिस इज माई मूवमेंट. सेट कहते हैं, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस, जस्ट रिमेंबर वी शुड डैश. अब डैश में क्या आएगा देखते हैं. बिकम स्ट्रॉन्ग डिस्पाइट आवर वीकनेस, be kind and supportive toward everyone, respect the origin from where we have grown, nurture ourselves well from beginning. तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? सी. उसका आंसर होगा सी. ओके, सेकेंड का आंसर है सी. अब थर्ड क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. चूज द ऑप्शन दैट बेस्ट कन्वेज द मैसेज इन आई एम बिकॉज वी आर. थर्ड पैरा रीड करेंगे इसके लिए. देन देयर इज द मैसेज ऑफ पीसफुल कोएक्सिस्टेंस. आई एम बिकॉज वी आर. नेचर प्रोवाइड्स एवरी क्रिएचर अ चांस टू एक्सिस्ट. However, the existence of one creature or being depend on the existence of the other. The tiger eats the antelope. Without the antelope, the tiger wouldn't survive. Likewise, without tigers, the overabundance of antelopes would cause them to starve to death. Okay, अब हम थर्ड क्वेश्चन देखेंगे. So choose the option that best conveys the meaning message in I am because we are. Tigers are dependent on antelope? No. Antelope are dependent on tigers? No. Humans are dependent on animals? No. Everyone is dependent on each other? Yes. तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? Everyone is dependent on each other. थर्ड का आंसर D. Next question number 4. What qualities do the birds and squirrels display when they warn others of the possible danger? Choose one option from the following. फोर्थ पैरा देखेंगे. I wonder if you have noticed that when birds or squirrels see a predator, they give out an alarm call to their fellow creature of the lurking danger. They put themselves in danger to save the lives of others. Many animals like the salmon usually die after they swan, but this doesn't stop them. One life extinguished for the betterment of the others is a small price to pay. So, फोर्थ का आंसर क्या होगा? क्या पूछा है? What qualities do the birds and squirrels display when they warn others of possible danger? Choose one option from the following. So, observation skill and alertness? No. Tendency to get easily frightened? Selfless assistance to help others? Determination to protect themselves? तो इसका आंसर होगा C. फोर्थ का आंसर होगा C. Now, fifth question, select the option with the underlined word that can suitably replace lurking. Paragraph 4 में ही है ये lurking का. Okay. So, lurking means कहीं छुपना, ठीक है, छुपे रहना. So, इसमें है wandering aimlessly, remaining hidden, pouncing with force, walking boldly. तो इसका आंसर क्या होगा? B. Remaining hidden. Next question number 6 is, appointing new words like smoke plus fog is a blend of words in which parts of multiple words are combined into a new word, right? From the option given below, select a portmanteau word that appears in para 6. Para 6 में हमें given होगा ये. Keep in mind, life isn't about making lists and trying to be one step ahead of others. Life is to live. Take a break, stop being a workaholic. तो workaholic दिख रहे हैं ना आपको? इसमें work और alcohol ये दोनों मिलके workaholic बने हैं. सो इसका आंसर होगा workaholic. 6 का आंसर होगा B. workaholic. Next question number 7. Select the qualities from paragraph 3rd that the author wants us to imbibe. पैराग्राफ 3 में हमें मिलेगा ये. ओके, एंड बिकॉज वी आर वाला है ये पैरा. वी हैव क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. सो क्या है? द सेलेक्ट द क्वालिटीज फ्रॉम पैराग्राफ 3 दैट द ऑथर वांट्स अस टू imbibe. Being acceptive? Yes. Passionate? No. Emotional? No. Resilient? Yes. Perceptive? Yes. So 7th का आंसर होगा C. Okay. Now 8th question, which of the following is shown to the changing of seasons? The beauty of nature, nature's creativity, all seasons are equal, nothing lasts forever. तो 8 का आंसर होगा D. Nothing lasts forever. Question number 9. What does the writer advise in paragraph 6? Indulging in competition with others, making priority list, taking life seriously, having free time for ourselves. Paragraph 6 देखते हैं एक बार. Keep in mind, life isn't about making lists and trying to be one step ahead of other. Life is to live. Take a break, stop being a workaholic, and smell the roses. Do whatever makes you feel happy, and most of all, spend time with nature to pick up invaluable lessons. ठीक है, तो इसमें हमें बेस्ट ऑप्शन देखते हैं क्या लगता है क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 में. What does the writer advise in paragraph 6? Indulging in competition with others, making priority lists, taking life seriously, having free time for ourselves. तो इसका आंसर होगा having free time for ourselves. 9th का D. Question number 10. Choose the option that lists the cured best experiencing the central idea of the passage. Nature, she pardons no mistake, her year is yea and her na. Look deep into nature and then you will understand everything better. Nature never deceives us, it is we who deceive ourselves. All the ugliness of the world can best be forgotten in the beauty of nature. So इसका आंसर होगा, क्योंकि हमारे जो पैसेज है वो नेचर पे डिपेंड कर रहा है, नेचर के बारे में बता रहा है. सो इसका आंसर हमारा होगा बी. ओके, 10th का आंसर है बी. दैट लुक डीप इनटू नेचर एंड देन यू विल अंडरस्टैंड एवरीथिंग बेटर. अब हम आगे देखेंगे सेकेंड पैसेज. Read the passage given below. So first हमारा है research from the Publishers Association has shown the films based on books take 44% more at the box office revenue in the UK and 53% more worldwide than origin screenplays. The report explores what impact the book has when adapted for film and TV. The report reads, published material is the basis of 52% of top UK films in the last 10 years and accounts for an even higher share of revenue from these leading performers. At 61% of UK box office gross and 65% of worldwide gross, the Hollywood adaptation of My Cousin Raquel was shown to have a significant impact on the sales of the Daphne du Maurier thriller. The sales of the book in 2017 alone accounted for 23% of all sales since 1992. Third para में हमें given है the research suggests that adapted films. अब इसमें simply हमें films वगैरह के बारे में बता रखा है. ओके, एंड इट्स ऑल अबाउट कि रिसर्च करी है पब्लिशर एसोसिएशन ने फिल्म के बारे में कि बुक्स की वजह से फिल्म जो है वो फेमस होती है, या फेमस फिल्म पे जो बुक बनती है उसकी वजह से. फर्स्ट पैरा में आपको ये गिवन है. ओके, सो द रिसर्च सजेस्ट दैट अडैप्टेड फिल्म टेंड्स टू परफॉर्म बेटर because films can leverage the popularity of well-known books to an existing audience. Films adapted from books also tend to have a richer, more fully developed story to draw on. In terms of TV adaptation, it was revealed that a quarter of dramas were based on literary sources and attracted a 56% larger share of the audience than those based on original scripts. 14 of the 35 high-end series produced in the UK in the period between January and September 2017 was based on books, compared to 7 based on true stories or historical events and 5 based on pre-existing films or TV stories. In the case of 2016 BBC broadcast of The Night Manager, research revealed that while the novel was in circulation for over 25 years, 82% of the copies it sold were in 2016 and 2017. Sales of the paperback edition remained strong in 2017 even after the series went off the air. In conclusion, the report states that there is a strong two-way relationship between publishing and the wider creative economy, wherein a successful adaptation often has spillover effects and gives a substantial boost to the sales of the original book. अब इसमें हम पहले दोबारा से इंस्ट्रक्शन को रीड करेंगे. बेस्ड ऑन योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ द पैसेज आंसर एनी 6 आउट ऑफ द 8 क्वेश्चन. अब इसमें 8 क्वेश्चंस है. पहले वाले पैसेज में 10 क्वेश्चंस है जिसमें से 8 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने थे. इस पैसेज में 8 क्वेश्चंस है जिसमें से आपको 6 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने हैं. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 इज The purpose of the research by Publishers Association was to study dash. Choose the correct option. Okay, so first option is variety in films and TV shows. B, impact of films on books. Choice of books for filmmaking. Connect between books and films. Okay, so इसका आंसर होगा D, connect between books and films. 11 का आंसर है D. Question number 12. Select the option that is true for the two statements given below. First, the revenue generates at the box office have increased. Yes, majority of the top films in the UK are based on published material. Okay, so इसमें option है A is the result of 2. Yes, A is the result of 2. So इसका आंसर है 12 का आंसर है A. 13th question, select the option that gives the correct meaning of the following statement. The sales of the book in 2017 alone accounted for 23% of the sales since 1992. There are 23% higher sales in 2017 than previous year. A major chunk of sales happened in 2017. Yes, a major chunk of sales happened in 2017. So 13th का आंसर है B. Next question, question number 14. According to the research, the films based on books have greater success because people like to see the characters from the books on screen. The films get the advantage of the fame of the books. It takes less effort for people to watch films than read books. The films get a ready-made script from the books. 14th का आंसर होगा B. The films get the advantage of the fame of the book. Question number 15. Select the option listing what the given sentence refers to. Films adapted from books also tend to have a richer, more fully developed story to draw on. The plot and the storyline of such films are better. The characters are likely to be more vivid. The production of such films is meant for the rich and famous. The settings and costumes are adapted from the book. The making of such films required the author to write a sequel. तो इसका 15th का आंसर होगा, इसमें आपका फर्स्ट ऑप्शन, सेकेंड एंड फोर्थ. तो ये ऑप्शन है हमारी डी. सो 15 का आंसर है डी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. On what from the following were the maximum TV serial in UK in the year 2017 based? Books, historical stories, original true stories, previous film. इसका आंसर है A, books. Next question number 17. The passage list an example proving that TV dramas based on literary works have. Select the correct option. Increase the immediate sales of book. Yes. 17 का आंसर is A, increase the immediate sale of the book. Next question number 18. Choose the correct option to answer the following. According to paragraph 5, there is a two-way relationship between books and the screen. This is so because both revolve around the same stories, cater to an audience with the same taste, gain from each other's popularity, belong to the creative field, gain from each other's popularity. So 18th का C. अब हमारा राइटिंग एंड ग्रामर सेक्शन जो है वो स्टार्ट हो रहा है. सो इसमें इंस्ट्रक्शन देखते हैं. Answer any 5 out of the 6 question by selecting the most appropriate option for each. अब इसमें 6 क्वेश्चन है, इसमें से आपको 5 क्वेश्चन के आंसर देने हैं. Question number 19. The hospital board clearly mentioned that you dash smoke in the hospital as it is a health hazard for all. Cannot, must not, need not, might not. Need not नहीं होगा, हमें पता है. माइट नॉट भी नहीं होगा. ठीक है, इसमें क्या बोल रहे हैं कि स्मोक नहीं करना चाहिए. सो मस्ट नोट. ओके, तो इसका आंसर होगा 19 का आंसर होगा ए. सॉरी, इट्स नॉट ए, बी ऑप्शन. मस्ट नॉट. ओके, 19 का आंसर होगा बी, मस्ट नॉट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. There's never dash petrol left after Rahul uses the car. Much, little, many, a little. तो इसका आंसर होगा ए, much. There's never much petrol left after Rahul uses the car. Next, question number 21. I am taking driving lessons now. Hopefully, I dash my driving test by November. Will take, would pass, will have taken, will be taken. Sorry, will be taken. So 21 का आंसर होगा C, will have taken. Will have taken. Question number 22. Which option displays the correct change of the following to reported speech? Sunita asked Venkat, how much is the rent for your flat? Sunita asked Venkat how much was his rent for flat. Sunita asked Venkat how much the rent for his flat was. Sunita inquires from Venkat that how much rent he pays. Sunita told Venkat how much the rent for his flat was. इसका आंसर होगा B. Sunita asked Venkat how much the rent for his flat was. Question number 23. Which option displays the correct change of the following to reported speech? She said, I told Damanjeet to send you an email 3 days ago. She told that Damanjeet had mailed you 3 days then. She informed me that Damanjeet has mailed me 3 days before. She says that she has told Damanjeet to send me an email 3 days then. She said that she had told Damanjeet to send an email to me 3 days before. Okay, yes, this is the correct answer, D. Okay, next question, question number 24. The dog dashed under the chair before the children arrived. Has been hiding, was hid, have hid, had hidden. Had hidden. 24 का है T, had hidden. Now writing section. अब आप में से बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट जो थे वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा कंफ्यूज थे कि राइटिंग सेक्शन कैसे एमसीक्यूज़ के फॉर्म में कैसे आएगा. तो ये सैम्पल पेपर सॉल्व करना आप सभी के लिए बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि इससे आपको आइडिया मिल जाएगा कि आपके बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम में कैसे क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाएंगे और कैसे राइटिंग सेक्शन आएगा, कैसे एमसीक्यूज़ में पूछा जाएगा. सो आंसर एनी 5 आउट ऑफ द 6 क्वेश्चन गिवन विद रेफरेंस टू द कॉन्टेक्स्ट बिलो. इसमें आपके 6 क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे और उनमें से आपको 5 क्वेश्चन के आंसर देने हैं. यू आर देबाश्री, आप देबाश्री है, अ रेजिडेंट ऑफ सिलीगुड़ी, असम. यू हैव टू राइट a letter to the editor of a national daily drawing attention toward the difficulty faced by differently abled people at tourist places. क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है, select the option with relevant aspect that Devashri should select for this letter. Okay, तो ऑप्शन है the newspaper name. Yes, newspaper name होना चाहिए. Attach proof of the newspaper subscription. No, it's not needed at all. Debashri's address. Yes. Formal tone. No. Okay. Yes. Debashri's address होना चाहिए and formal tone भी होनी चाहिए. Expected date of the letters received. No. So इसमें से आपका कौन सा होगा? First newspaper का name होना चाहिए, देबाश्री का एड्रेस होना चाहिए और फॉर्मल टोन होनी चाहिए. सो 1, 3, 1, 3 एंड 4. सो इसका आंसर हमें होगा डी. ओके, डी 1, 3 एंड 4. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 26. सेलेक्ट द एप्रोप्रिएट सब्जेक्ट. आपको सब्जेक्ट चूज करना है फॉर दिस लेटर. Drawing attention towards differently abled people. The differently abled, neglected or misunderstood. No. टूरिस्ट पीपल आर एन इनकन्वीनियंस टू डिफरेंटली एबल्ड पीपल, बहुत ज़्यादा ही हो गया ये बड़ा. इनकन्वीनियंस फेस बाय द डिफरेंटली एबल्ड टू टूरिस्ट बोट्स. यस, डी. 26 का आंसर होगा डी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 27. Which option should Debashri select to elaborate on the difficulties faced by the indifferently abled? A. Attempts of ramps for wheelchair, unclean toilets, high ticket prices. B. Unsuitability visiting time, tourist guides untrained in sign language, lack of Braille script tourist pamphlets. C. Absence of ramps for wheelchair, tourist guided untrained in sign language, lack of Braille script pamphlets. D. Unclean toilets, high ticket prices, unsuitable visiting timing. तो इसका आंसर होगा C. ओके, 27 का आंसर होगा C. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 28. Debashri shares some suggestion in her letter. To address the issue, select the option that helps her complete these suggestions appropriately. In my opinion, the media can play a pivotal role in transforming people's also against negligence to the needs of the differently abled at the tourist board shall go a long way in bringing about a positive change. इसका आंसर होगा B. Perceptions and attitudes, and second, cautioning the authorities. Okay. Now question number 29. Select the option that correctly justifies the choice of the concluding portion of this letter. First, I expect the authorities to take action on this issue. Please post my thoughts in your newspaper. Second, I hope my views get published in the column of your newspaper so that this issue may garner more public support and awareness. Yes to option A, 1, because of the authoritative tone. No to option 1 because of the informal tone. Yes to option 2 because of the tone of polite expectation. No to option 2 because of certainty in the tone. Okay, so इसका आंसर होगा C. 29 का आंसर होगा C. Yes to option 2 because of the tone of the polite expectation. हम किसी पे क्योंकि ऑर्डर नहीं कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 30. Select the option that completes the concluding line appropriately. I hope that my letter will help spread awareness about the issue. Yes. 30 का आंसर होगा A. Help spread awareness about the issue. अब हमारा आता है लिटरेचर पार्ट. यहाँ से हमारा लिटरेचर पार्ट जो है वो स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. हमारा रीडिंग सेक्शन कंप्लीट हो गया है, ग्रामर एंड राइटिंग सेक्शन भी कंप्लीट हो गया है. अब यहाँ से हमारा लिटरेचर पार्ट स्टार्ट हो रहा है. सो इसमें सब पार्ट्स भी हमें गिवन है, सब सेक्शंस भी गिवन है. नाउ रीड द गिवन एक्सट्रैक्ट टू अटेम्प्ट द क्वेश्चन दैट फॉलोज. But the decades of oppression and brutality had another unintended effect, and that was that it produced the Oliver Tambos, the Walter Sissulus, the Chief Lutules, the Yusuf Dadus, the Bram Fishers, the Robert Sobervis of our times, men of such extraordinary courage, wisdom, and generosity that their like may never be known again. Perhaps it requires such depth of oppression to create such heights of character. My country is rich in the minerals and gems that lie beneath its soil, but I have always known that its greater wealth is its people. Finer and truer than the purest diamond, it is from these comrades in the struggle that I learned the meaning of courage. Time and again I have seen men and women risk and give their lives for an idea. तो ये आपका किससे लिया गया है कि एक्सट्रैक्ट लिया गया है नेल्सन मंडेला लॉन्ग वॉक टू फ्रीडम चैप्टर से. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 31. What was the intended effect of the long oppression? Choose the correct option. It made the people indifferent to injustice. It made the people reject oppression. It influenced the generation to fight against injustice. It made people accept their oppression. So इसका आंसर होगा C. It influenced a generation to fight against injustice. Question number 32. Men of such extraordinary courage refer to the people who dash, liberated and abolished the apartheid system, used their resources to spread awareness, fought for their country's freedom, demonstrated utmost strength to oppose the system. Yes, option D. Option D is correct answer. Next, question number 33. Nelson Mandela compares dash to diamond. His countrymen, patriots, wise man, the oppressed. His countrymen. A is the correct answer. Question number 34. When Nelson Mandela says, I have seen men and women risk and give their lives for an idea, he means that they are dash, stubborn, ziddi, committed, intelligent, proud. They are committed. So option, इसमें आपका आएगा option B. They are committed. Question number 35. Select the suitable word from the extract to complete the following. Depth, height. Compassion, depth और height opposite words हैं. So compression, oppression. Compression का opposite oppression. So option B. Next है read the given extract to attempt the question that follows. अब दोबारा एक extract है, ये है from the diary of Anne Frank से लिया गया है. Let me put it more clearly, since no one will believe that a 13-year-old girl is completely alone in the world, and I am not. I have loving parents and a 16-year-old sister, and there are about 30 people I can call friends. I have a family, loving aunts, and a good home. No, on the surface I seem to have everything except my one true friend. All I think about when I am with friends is having a good time. I can't bring myself to talk about anything but ordinary everyday things. तो ये extract लिया गया है from the diary of Anne Frank से. Now question number 36. Why does Annie feel the following? No one will believe that a 13-year-old girl is completely alone in the world. People knew she had a family. Yes. People knew she had a family. ये उन्होंने clear कर दिया है that she had a family. So ये option है, ये correct है. Then people rejected the idea of loneliness. No. She had several friends. Yes, ये भी है answer. She had a cheerful personality. Yes, उनकी एक cheerful personality है कि कोई भी उनसे बात करना चाहेगा. Okay. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि उनका कोई friend ना हो. So option B is correct answer. Next, question 37. Select the most appropriate option for 1 and 2. On the surface, I seem to have everything except my one true friend. Annie doesn't truly connect with anyone. So, 1 is true and 2 is false. 1 is true and 2 is false. 2 is opposite of 1. 1 furthers the meaning of 2. Yes, 1 furthers the meaning of 2. The 37 का आंसर है C. Option C. Next question number 38. From the option given below, identify any stone in the extract. Restless, dissatisfied, scared, hurt. Dissatisfied because she doesn't have any good friend. Next, 39. Select the option which displays an example of having a good time. He is out for a picnic with his friends and they are laughing and singing together. He is studying hard for the periodic test the following day to improve his scores. He is trying to convince his father to purchase the latest video games for him. He just issued an injured puppy understanding to its wants. तो इस पे बोला है कि एग्जाम्पल बताओ जो ये दर्शाता है कि of having a good time. तो आप बताओ इसमें से क्या होगा? Yes, option A. Next question number 40. What do we get to know about Annie when she says the following? I can't bring myself to talk about anything but ordinary everyday things. Choose one from the following to answer. She is proud of her ways. She is struggling to strike conversation. She is unsure of her own thoughts. She is unable to have satisfying conversation. So, answer is she is unable to have a satisfying conversation. 40 का D. Now next, read the given extract to attempt the question that follow. Next extract आ गया है. अब ये है ball poem का. Money is external. He is learning well behind his desperate eyes the epistemology of laws, how to stand up, doing what every man must one day know and most know many days how to stand up. ये है ball poem का. Question number 41. The poet says money is external. What does it mean in this extract? Money helps us to purchase materials that make life worth living. Money promotes materialism and hunger for power among youngsters. Money only impacts a person's external environment. Money buys materialistic thing and can be earned again when lost. Yes. Money buys materialistic thing and can be earned again when lost. Question number 42. What does the boy learn by losing the ball according to the extract? So, loss is unavoidable truth of life. Yes. Material objects can be replaced. Yes. Money buys happiness. No. Losses in life can be prevented with care. Life continues despite loss. Yes, fifth option is correct. So 1, 2 and 5th. A option is correct. 42 question. Question number 43. Sorry. The boy is learning how to stand up. This means that he is learning to be dash in the face of difficulties. Patient, resilient, defensive, judgmental. So answer is resilient. B. Option B. Question number 44. Which option lists who is speaking this line? An observer, the boy's parent, the ball salesman, a friend. An observer, जो कि वो सब होते हुए देख रहा है. Next question number 45. According to the poet, from whom do we mostly learn about laws? Elders, experiences, books, teachers. Experiences. तो B करेक्ट है. तो ये जो था बहुत ही ईजी था बॉल पोएम के एक्सट्रैक्ट. नेक्स्ट हमें गिवन है थीफ स्टोरी से. I followed casually. Hello again, he said. I gave my most appealing smile. I want to work for you, I said. But I can't pay you. I thought it over for a minute. Perhaps I had misjudged my man. I asked, can you feed me? Can you cook? I can cook. I lied again. If you can't cook, then maybe I can feed you. He took me to his room over the Jumna sweet shop and told me I could sleep on the balcony. But the meal I cooked that night must have been terrible because Anil gave it to a stray dog and told me to be off. But I just hung around, smiling in my most appealing way, and he couldn't help laughing. तो ये extract लिया गया है thief story से. So question number 46 is, even though Hari Singh followed Anil casually, it was A and dash. Careless action, staged move, unusual decision, bold step. It's staged move. Okay, सोचा समझा था ये. Question number 47. From the following option, identify Hari Singh's intention behind the appealing smile. Deceit, harm, hatred, jealousy. Deceit, चोरी करना चाहता था वो उधर. Question number 48. Select the option listing Anil's characteristics as revealed in the extract. Unassuming, kind, yes. Unassumed तो था ही वो. Kind, yes. Determined, no. Knave, yes. Humorous, बिल्कुल नहीं था. Humorous बिल्कुल नहीं था वो. So it's 1, 2 and 4. That is option C. Next, question number 49. Select the most appropriate option based on 1 and 2. First, Anil gave his meal to a stray dog. Second, Hari Singh did not know how to cook. So it's 2 is the cause for 1. That is option number C. Option C. 50. Question 50. The phrase hung around suggests that Hari Singh continued to dash. Smile, cook, appeal, linger. D. Option D. Linger. Now next जो है आपका लेसन्स के उस पे बेसिस पे MCQs पूछे गए हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 51. लेंको इज, ये फर्स्ट चैप्टर से पूछा गया है. लेंको इज डैश व्हेन ही सेज दैट what they say no one dies of hunger. Doubtful, stressed, confused, dismissive. Okay. Question number 51. Which option correctly replaces the underlined phrase in the given line from Fire and Ice? I hold with those who favor fire. Am as experienced as, strongly disagree with, have the same opinion as, habitually avoid. Have the same opinion as. Okay. So option number C. Sorry, not number. It's option C. Next, question number 53. The purpose of the treatment given to the young seagull by his parents was to dash. Teach him a lesson about the importance of food. Inculcate obedience towards them. Let him overcome his fear. Improve his relationship with his siblings. So answer होगा इसका C. Option C. Let him overcome his fear. कि अपने डर को वो काबू में करे ताकि वो उड़ पाए. Question 54. Peggy often gave a nudge to one of her friend when she spoke to Wanda in the schoolyard. This meant that she wanted her friend to dash. Stop talking to Wanda and move on. Observe and partake in the joke of Wanda. Ignore the complete situation with Wanda. Interrupt any reply that came from Wanda. So, answer होगा इसका B. Observe and partake in the joke on Wanda. Next, question number 55. In the poem Dust of Snow, which negative symbol have been used to create a positive effect? Hemlock tree, crow. Yes, ये तो हमने देखा, ये इसमें सिर्फ एक ही है, hemlock tree and crow. Next, question number 56. Mandela refers to liberty as newborn because it was dependent on others for growth and guidance, had recently been detained with lots of struggle made. People experience in fact like excitement right unexpectedly for everyone. So इसका आंसर होगा B. Had recently been attained with lots of struggle. Question number 57. In the poem A Tiger in the Zoo, what does the tiger quite rage indicate? It indicates that the tiger anger is forgotten, provoked, suppressed, opposed. So answer is option C. Suppressed. Okay. So option C is correct answer. Suppressed. Next, question number 58. Identify the option that aptly describes Griffin. So greedy yet kind, proud and horrible, constrained and selfless, brilliant but lawless. Yes, brilliant है वो, लेकिन he is lawless. Okay, he is lawless. Next, question number 59. Anil's carelessness made stealing from him dash for Hari Singh, uninteresting, difficult, systematic, predictable. It's A, uninteresting. Question number 60. What does the explanation this is a triumph of surgery by Mrs. Pumphrey mean? The surgery was successful? No, क्योंकि surgery असली में नहीं हुई थी. The mistress could take back her pet. The doctor was a great veterinarian. The planned venture was fruitful. Yes, so answer इसका होगा the planned venture was fruitful. तो यही थे आपके सैम्पल पेपर. 60 क्वेश्चन टोटल थे जो कि अब सॉल्व हो चुके हैं. Okay, so if this video is helpful to you, then please like, comment and subscribe to our channel Build Up Brain. Thank you.